May profits be upon you. We're going to go over Aussie dollar, US dollar, Aussie dollar, US dollar, AUD, USD. If you remembered the video I put out on the 18th, you can see where I left you this past weekend. I was hoping that price would find supply here and then continue down, because we had a nice push to the downside, and overall the higher time frame shows that price was in a downtrend. I want you to refer to this video rather, and I'm going to leave a link for it in the description and at the end of this video. You could just click on and see all of the analysis, right? So this is where I left you. This is what became of it. All right, price did find supply there, and I'm looking for that push down. Now, see, the devil's in the details, right? You see how price, this is the leg I was looking for, right? Except I didn't want it to be a wick. I wanted it to be a close bearishly, like down here. That way I could wait up here for an entry. Hence this, my arrow and whatnot. All right, that may not happen now because of the lift that we see, how the buyers came in this. So this may violate, and we may see price come up here. We're already ready for it. May use this as inducement to get people to take shorts early, only to have the market makers come back and take them out of the trade by hitting their stop losses, mitigating this zone of supply, the 4-hour zone of supply, and then coming down. So that's what we're looking at. All right, we got those two scenarios, and we're hoping that it plays out. All right, this is an update video, so I'm telling you right now what we're looking for. All right, if we can get our setup down on the lower one down here, hey, great. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking for this, but I'm not going to jump in too early. Take a look at this on the 2-hour. We should go to let's look at the 2-hour. You can see this consolidation. This looks just like Aussie Swiss, New Zealand dollar Swiss. There's a consolidation here, and we want to make sure we don't get caught in the manipulation here. This is an accumulation stage. What I would like to see is a break of these lows, a solid bearish candle with momentum. All right, I need it to close below that line, and then when it comes back up, I can take that short. However, if it doesn't happen, all right, and we continue to get bearish action. Maybe price comes down here, sweeps the low, and then comes up. All right, that's fine. If that happens, I'm going to look at this as with the breakout. I'm looking at the return for an impulse, for the impulse and the entry to the upside. I will take this buy so I can take this sell, a buy to sell, if you will. All right, that's what I'm looking at. Those are the scenarios. If this, then that. You got to have a plan in place, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button for me. You can do it now. I'll give you a minute. There you go. Thank you very much. Also, make sure you subscribe. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can make sure to catch all of my updates like this one. All right. You want to catch them in a timely fashion, right? And also leave a comment. This is Aussie dollar USD. This is a major, and I want to know, is this one of your favorites? It should be, and I'm going to tell you why. Because it moves a little slower than Euro USD and Pound USD. When people ask me which one should I get on, newer traders, I always think about Aussie dollar USD dollar. All right, I'll see you in the next video.